Esophagus, cross section. It's collapsed because in comparison to the trachea, here's the trachea right here. We're looking at the cross section of it. This portion right here is where the air is. This is the lumen. And this is the trachea. Note how it stays patent. What keeps the trachea patent? The what? The cartilaginous rings, and there they are right here. There's your cartilaginous ring right here. All along here. Have to go all the way around. All the way around. Okay? All the way around. And we get to right here. Remember we said they were C-shaped. So there's the open portion of the C. This is where your fibromuscular membrane is, your trachealis muscle is, right here. And there's the esophagus right here. So why is the esophagus collapsed?
Because it doesn't have the ring to hold it open.
Because it doesn't have the cartilage to keep it open. Very good, that's right. And so this collapsed because you're not passing a bolus through there, and there's no cartilage to keep it open. This is the lumen in which the food will pass through. What tissue lines the esophagus? What do you think? Stratified squamous, very good, that's right. And there it is right here. The stratified squamous. Any questions on the esophagus?
No.
The trachea is lined with pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium.
Can you repeat that?
The trachea is lined with PCCE. What does PCCE stand for? What does it stand for now? Pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. You have it in your lecture notes. You have it on your green sheet. Okay. Any question on this slide?
No.
Of course you have no questions until I ask you questions. And then you're going to go like, duh, don't know. Because I can tell you right now, the vast majority of you can't absorb what you just you're recovering. After a while, everything looks the same, too. After you go through all 11 slides, they all come the same. Yep, see? Thank you for being honest. Okay, there's your bronchiole. This is lung and bronchiole slide. There's your bronchiole right here, cross section. There's the lumen that the air is going to pass through. And these are all the alveoli right in here. All the holy parts. These are the walls of the alveoli. What tissue makes up the alveoli? The two.
Simple squamous and
Simple
columnar.
squamous and simple cuboidal.
Yeah, I
What
can't
does
say it.
simple squamous do?
Allows for external respiration.
Yeah.
Allows for what?
External respiration.
Okay, good, very good. And then what does the simple cuboidal do?
Secretes
Secretes surfactant. Excellent, good job. Any questions on the slide? Are we keeping you awake? Maybe I should go faster.
Yeah.
Go too slow?
You're going perfect.
Yeah, I figure that many of you, you haven't seen these in a while, or if at all. So, therefore, it'd be nice to maybe go slow.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
This is the testes, and this is the seminiferous tubule. So the testes consists of a whole bunch of coiled tubules. These are cross sections of the seminiferous tubule. This is the whole seminiferous tubule here. So there it is right here. All the way around. Here's the seminiferous tubule. These cells outside the tubule are called interstitial cells. Interstitial cells, they secrete testosterone. Interstitial cells secrete testosterone. I liken the seminiferous tubule to a pizza. So right along the edge of the wall of the seminiferous tubule are the pepperoni. Right here. There's one right there. There's one right here. See all the pepperoni lined up along the edge there?
Mm-hmm.
These are all pepperoni. These are the spermatogonia cells. They're 2N in the chromosome count. So the pepperoni, they're lined up along the edge of the seminiferous tubule. They're lined up along the edge of the pizza. They are called spermatogonia, and they are 2N in the chromosome count. Then as we move towards the lumen, this is the lumen here, the cells will undergo meiosis, and these little black cells that look like little black watermelon seeds are the spermatozoa. 1N in the chromosome count. And then there are also some cells which have a supportive function right here. These are the sustentacular cells, also called Sertoli cells. They're right here. Any questions on the testes?
No.
As far as the next exam, how are you going to be testing? Is it going to be like this on the TV, or they're going to be laptops?
They're probably going to be on the microscopes.
Okay.
Okay? No, they won't be like this. Probably some on laptops, but the vast majority on microscopes, most likely. Okay, this is kidney.
Oh yeah, this all looks alike.
Well, this one doesn't have the interstitial cells.
The little black one.
It doesn't have the little black ones, and there's nothing between the, here are the tubes. that
See,
are
all
the
these,
cells.
whoops, okay, just move this. No, I see. See, all these that I'm looking at right here, these kidney tubules, these are all the proximal convoluted tubules. Proximal convoluted tubules. They're lined with simple, cuboidal cells, simple cuboidal cells, and this is the lumen, and the lumen, and because the PCT reabsorbs 99% of the filtrate, has a lot of microvilli, extends into the lumen, thus making the tubule look kind of dirty on the inside. So that's how you can tell those are PCT. Simple cuboidal. Still PCT. Now you have some that are cleaner. See, the lumen's much cleaner than this one right here. This is PCT, this is DCT. Still simple cuboidal, but the lumen is very clean because there's very little microvilli. Again, there's another one here. DCT compared to the PCT. Clean lumen, dirty lumen. Still lined with the simple cuboidal cells all along here. This is the glomerulus, right here. This is the capsular space, parietal layer of the Bowman's capsule lined with simple squamous. Glomerulus, capsular space, parietal layer of the Bowman's capsule, simple squamous tissue. Any questions on the kidney?
We have the distal convoluted tubule on our sheet.
I showed you one already, clean lumen.